Hello, it's me again. I'll be showing you all the devices in my fire alarm collection. I'm also going to be pulling and resetting all the pull stations. Got my handy keys as well from the removal tool of my Special Alert Classics, which, yeah, if I can get it out, just like, damn it. There. First up, we have two Ames Security Corp SP2LPs. So yeah. And here is a Firelight BG12. It just you just pull. If I can get it open, there we go. You can see it's not spring loaded anymore. So even though the handle goes like that, because I accidentally pulled it when I was trying to, yeah, that was a long time ago when I did that. So, and now if I have it spring loaded, it's gonna go down. So I guess I'll have to deal with it being, so I guess I'll have to deal with it being not so spring loaded. So here's your switch, normal, activated. You basically flick up the switch and close it, but it'll give you a quick, and there's another way to reset it. There's two ways, like to switch up and close it, and open. In the second way, which Firelight's gonna be pretty pissed if they see you doing that, pretty sure of that, is open it and close it, and it just resets itself. We got two First Alert smoke alarms. The model number is SA300. Focus. We also got another SA300. You have two of them. We also got a Kid A smoke alarm that has a voice evac feature. The model number is P3010B. And we got the lift handles on my SP2LPs. And here is a Edwards Genesis G4LF Genesis low frequency sounder strobe, 520 hertz. As you can see, it's written on the housing. Let me go grab a screwdriver so I can show you the inside. There's the inside. You got all your good stuff right here. You got some components like the strobe thing, whatever it's called. You got your jumpers. You got you got your three jumpers for program. You cut this jumper for code 3 strobe. You cut this jumper for continuous horn. You cut this jumper for if you want to do low decibels. And here's your candela switch. Is your basic candela settings, 15, 30, 75, and 110. And here is an EG1 HD Genesis, which I decided to randomly set to continuous. Like, that was, yeah. I'll show you the inside on how I got it to continuous. I basically cut the jumper. As you can see by how the circuit boards are chipped right here, that's you have to chip it if you want to do continuous. There's a horn. There's a component right here. Notice it does not have the big capacitor like the horn strobes and remote strobe does. But it has the same circuit board, unlike the G1F, G1P, G1RP, G1FP, G1RFP mini horns. It has the circuit board is cut in half, like somewhere along those lines, yeah. And so this one's the regular horn circuit board, and and it has it like that, so it's ready for a strobe, because it's ready for a strobe if it was a horn strobe model. And yeah, put my phone down real quick and snap it back into place. Next up, we have a ADT rebranded Edwards Genesis, first generation. Model number is ADT G1R HOV75. As you can see, there's no tabs on there, and I just removed the things that actually hold it in place hold the housing in place, and it works perfectly fine. Here's the inside of it. Here's the housing right here. Here's your horn. As you can see, it has the first generation circuit board and all that good stuff. Is fixed 75 candela. And there's your back. As you can see, it's rebranded by ADT, and it has Edwards Systems technology right there. There's your two connectors and all that good stuff. Here's your two connectors of the EG1 HD. The two connectors are on the inside, which I'm pretty sure you'll see. Here's my two backup housings for this one's for my G1R ADT G1R HOV75, and this one's the backup housing of my Genesis low frequency sounder strobe. As you can see, it has 520 hertz written on the cover, which is a way to recognize from the speaker strobes, and also another way to recognize a low frequency sounder strobe from the speaker strobes. Notice how it is white instead of black. This is the best comparison I can give you. The horn strobes and the speaker strobes and the chime strobes and strobe onlys have the black thing, whatever it's called. I think it's called a circuit board holder, and the speaker strobe has it a little bit pushed out. This little area pushed out a little. So yeah, put that back, and it also comes with a flush mount spacer. That's what I have it on. Next is a Wheelock MT4 24 LSM, which was rebranded by Cerberus Powertronics. The black thing fell off when I dropped it, but it works perfectly fine still. There's your tone selector right here, your dip switches. And moving on to right here, we have a Cerberus Powertronics multi-tone horn strobe. The model number is MTL S17F. Where is it? Oh, there it is. You can't see it very well because my dumbass phone does not like to focus. Here is my system sensor mass 2415 ADA. The strobe was DOA when I first got it, so yeah. Next we have a system sensor spectral H1224 or horn. And next we have a S2415 Spectraler Classic remote strobe. And next we have a P241575. This one is fixed 15 candela strobe, and this one is fixed 1575 candela. So which means if you look at it right here like an angle, it is 15 candela. If you look at it directly from the strobe, right like this, if you look at it from right here, it is 75 candela. And next we have a system sensor Spectraler Classic P1224 MCPW. Right here. It is unmarked and it's white. So yeah. And this one has nothing to do with fire alarms, but it is this is basically the thing that controls this is a device that controls the headlights and sirens in a emergency vehicle like law enforcement, fire department, and ambulance. As you can see, all the wires are cut off because it was removed. But yeah. So yeah, that is all I have for my fire alarm collection. As you can see, it's a bit updated by these 4 Spectraler Classics. So yeah, thank you for watching. And thanks for watching. Rate and subscribe, baby.